Coughing is a natural response that helps clear the respiratory system of irritants, mucus, and pathogens. It can be classified as acute, lasting less than 3 weeks, or chronic, persisting for more than 8 weeks. The cough reflex is triggered when receptors in the airways send signals to the brain's cough center, which then activates muscles to produce a cough. While medications can help, several natural remedies can also provide relief. Honey is one of the most effective natural treatments for cough. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that soothe the throat and reduce irritation. Its thick consistency forms a protective coating over the mucous membranes, minimizing the urge to cough. Mixing 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey in warm water, tea, or lemon juice and consuming it 2 to 3 times a day can provide significant relief. Ginger is another powerful remedy, known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It contains compounds like gingerols and shoggles, which help relax the airways, reduce mucus production, and ease coughing. Drinking ginger tea by boiling fresh ginger slices in water and adding honey or lemon can be highly effective. In calming a persistent cough, turmeric, rich in curcumin, has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe respiratory tract irritation and strengthen the immune system. To maximize its benefits, a teaspoon of turmeric powder can be mixed with warm milk and a pinch of black pepper, as the latter enhances curcumin absorption. Drinking this mixture before bedtime can aid in faster recovery. Steam inhalation is another excellent remedy for cough relief. It helps keep the airways moist, loosens mucus, and soothes throat irritation. The heat from steam also enhances blood circulation in the respiratory tract, promoting healing. Inhaling steam from hot water or adding a few drops of essential oils like peppermint can provide additional relief. Peppermint itself is an effective natural decongestant, thanks to its menthol content. Menthol relaxes the airway muscles, making breathing easier, and has mild anesthetic properties that reduce throat irritation. Drinking peppermint tea or inhaling steam infused with peppermint oil can significantly ease cough symptoms. These 5 natural remedies can help manage and relieve cough effectively. However, if symptoms persist for an extended period, it is important to consult a doctor for further evaluation.